Hello friends, this is David. In this video, I am going to share with you 3 best mutual funds that I have selected for our wealth creation. By the way, this video is only for education and awareness. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. This selection is purely based on my experience and knowledge. Please do your own research or consult a certified financial advisor before diving. Mutual funds are one of the most popular long term investment options for common people. But remember one thing clearly, all equity mutual funds carry market risk. Short term ups and downs are normal. That is why mutual funds are best suited for long term goals, especially when invested through SIP. While selecting mutual funds, I focused on 3 important things: long term growth potential, different market segments, direct plans to reduce expense ratio. Based on this approach, I selected one value based index fund, one mid cap fund, and one small cap fund. Now, let me briefly explain each one. The first fund is Motilal Oswal BSc Enhanced Value Index Fund. This is a passive index fund that follows a value based strategy. It invests in companies that are considered undervalued but fundamentally strong. It follows a rule based index, lower expense compared to active funds, good exposure to large and mid cap value stocks. The second fund is Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund. Mid cap companies are businesses that are already stable but still growing fast. I selected this fund because of its strong focus on equity mid cap companies, potential for higher growth than large caps, suitable for long term investors. This fund is meant to boost growth in the portfolio. The third fund is Bandhan Small Cap Fund. Small cap funds invest in early stage companies with high growth potential. I included this fund because of its opportunity for higher long term returns. Well diversified small cap portfolio complements mid cap and value exposure. But please remember, small cap funds are highly volatile. They are suitable only for long term investors. Together, these 3 funds give exposure to value based large and mid cap stocks, growth oriented mid caps, high potential small caps. This is an aggressive equity portfolio suitable for investors with long term goals, patience, ability to stay invested during market ups and downs. Once again, I want to clearly say I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Always invest based on your financial goals, risk appetite, and time horizon. If you found this video useful, like the video, comment your thoughts and doubts. Subscribe for more videos on money, learning, and life improvement. Thank you.